We have been talking about shapes in nature. Here's a scrapbook of all the different pictures you as a class took on your shape safari. Ashton found this picture of a car tire. See how it makes a circle? Colton found this picture of a stump. See how it kind of makes a circle shape? Cami was able to find this leaf. Can you see how it kind of makes a triangle? Owen was also able to find a triangle in this tree's roots. See? Great job, Michaela, at finding this brick. It makes a perfect rectangle. Aubrey was able to find many different rectangles that ended up making a pattern in this wall. Christian was able to find a circle in this piece of cut bamboo. If you look really hard, you can see it. Kaylee found this picture of a fire hydrant. It has lots of many shapes, like circles and hexagons. Harley was able to get this picture of a tree branch. If you look really closely, you can see the triangle. Michaela took this picture of a sidewalk. Can you see how the big squares in the middle are able to make a pattern? Jaden took a picture of an acorn, and he says it's a circle. Great job, Jaden! In this picture, Emily has found rectangles that make a pattern on a wall. If you look really closely, you can see the triangle that Cami found in this tree. Can you tell what shape Justin found in the front of this bus? That's right, it's a square. Sometimes, things in nature can have multiple shapes, just like this sign. It has a circle and a square. Gina was also able to find these leaves shaped like a heart. That's so cool! Great job today, everyone. Your pictures are awesome. Remember, keep hunting for more shapes in nature. And you can see even more pictures or put more pictures on our blog.